A new homeowner moves into your community, and they've just received their first communication from you. Good or bad, you're making an impression. And like all impressions, you are the one in control. Unfortunately, for many new homeowners, their first impression of an HOA boils down to a simple letter detailing their new financial obligations. We get it. Sending out a welcome mailing is time-consuming and costly when done in-house. Introducing Welcome Mailings by Page Per Page, a product that streamlines the organization, assembly, and delivery processes. In a matter of minutes, you can upload documents, add personal documents, finalize, and place your order. Page Per Page will take it from there, printing and assembling your documents into a bright, cheerful envelope ready to seal and deliver. The best part? Your documents will be stored in organized libraries, making each new welcome mailing that much easier to send out. Ready to make a great first impression? Your first welcome mailing is on the house. Go to pageperpage.com to get started today.